In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment to a task in Smartsheet. Adding comments is a great way to keep all your project communication organized right where the work is happening. Instead of chasing emails or chat messages, you can attach your notes, questions, and updates directly to the task itself. So let's walk through how to do that step by step. First, open your Smartsheet and make sure you're in the sheet that contains the task you want to comment on. You'll typically be in the grid view where you can see your rows and columns laid out like a spreadsheet. Each row usually represents a specific task or item. Look for the row that corresponds to the task you want to comment on. On the left side of that row, or sometimes toward the right, depending on your layout, you will see a small comment icon. It usually looks like a speech bubble. Move your mouse over the row, and the icon may appear if it's not already visible. Once you see it, click directly on that comment icon. When you click the icon, a comments panel or pop-up will open showing any existing comments related to that row. If no one has commented yet, it will be blank, and that's completely fine. This is where you'll add your own input. In the text box provided, start typing your comment. Be as clear and specific as possible, especially if you're working with a team. For example, instead of writing done, you might write completed the initial draft and uploaded the file for review. Clear comments make it easier for others to understand the status of the task at a glance. In addition to plain text, Smartsheet also lets you upload files directly inside the comment area. This is useful if you want to attach supporting documents, screenshots, or any other related files. Look for an option like Attach or a paperclip icon within the comment window. Click it, then choose the file from your computer or connected storage service. The file will be linked to that specific task, so everyone with access can find it easily. When you're happy with your comment and any attachments, make sure to save or post the comment. Once it's posted, the comment icon on that row may change slightly, often showing a number to indicate how many comments are attached. And that's it. You've successfully added a comment to a task in Smartsheet. Keep